Alright, so we're gonna make a little beeline here. Just so happens there's a tag out there near the structure I saw from the drone. I don't know if anyone saw it in the video, but it got me super curious. So I got some time this morning. We'll take a little hike out there, check out what this McFarland's treasure is, and check out this structure. Make this beeline. There's a little wetland, but hang with me. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Cheers. Have a great day. Alright, so this is what we had in the video. We couldn't tell what it was, but this explains it. Nice little fort here. Thought it was an older structure, perhaps, that might have been overlooked, but see, we just got some pretty crafty kids. I'll see if I got anything else on the way back that I find, but this place is super secluded. But good structure, good fort. Keep you halfway dry, and get your seating and little top deck mezzanine porch type deal. Pretty cool. Look at these kids. They're going at it. All right, let's see what we got on the way back. Here we go. Well, after looking at the structure and not finding anything on the way back, no footprints, no tire marks, no really clear way in or out, I'm not really sure where the structure came from, but I guess it adds to a little more mystery. Hope you like and subscribe. Always appreciate that. Cheers. Have a great day.